Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring two essentials. The app has required permissions, and you are signed in. Once done, open the app and accept any permission prompts. This lets the app control network or device edges. Tap Start Setup to enter the guided configuration. You will be prompted for a profile name and connection type. Choose the option that matches your network. Make sure to note any default passwords or keys shown on screen because you will need them in the next step. Now you configure the core controls. You choose an edge profile and assign priority rules to devices or zones so critical traffic wins during congestion. Next, set throttling and latency buffers. This affects performance, so adjust conservatively and test. Then, schedule time-based policies for peak and off-peak. This keeps behavior consistent. Once configured, enable auto-update and fallback rules so the system recovers if a policy fails. Finally, run the built-in validation test to confirm settings applied correctly. Finish by saving and applying your policies, then watch live metrics for at least 10 to 15 minutes to verify desired behavior. Make an immediate backup of the configuration and note a rollback point so you can revert if needed. If performance looks wrong, first clear the app cache and restart the app, because cached rules can persist. If that fails, rerun the validation test and check the log viewer for errors. This pinpoints conflicts or mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.